Hello and welcome class 5 students. Today in this class I am going to solve some problem sums of the chapter to express as a part. So exercise 23 consists of the sums from your book, the sums of the problem sums of to express as a part. Some of the sums we will solve in this class. So first sum we will solve is sum number 11 of exercise 23 of your book. Exercise 23, sum number 11. In sum number 11 it is given that in a class test in mathematics you scored 15 out of 20 and your brother scored 20 out of 25. In a class test in mathematics you scored 15 out of 20. In mathematics you scored 15 out of 20 and your brother scored 20 out of 25. Brother scored 20 out of 25. These are the two performance in mathematics, two types of marks scored in mathematics. So how will you compare? Now you cannot compare this because the denominators are different, but making the denominators same, you can make a comparison. So first we have to do, what we have to do is we have to equalize the denominator. We have to equalize the denominator. How? By doing LCM. LCM of 20 and 25, both are the denominators. So you have to do the LCM of this. LCM of 20 and 25. So 5 4s are 20 and 5 5s are 25. So ultimately you are getting 5 into 5, 25 into 4, that is 100. 100. 5 into 4 into 5, that is 100 is the LCM that you are getting. So your score in mathematics, 15 by 20 into 5, because 20 into 5 gives you 100, and your brother's score is 20 by 25 into 4. 25 into 4 gives you 100. So 20 into 5 is 100, again 25 into 4 is 100. So what you have to do is, in the numerator also you have to multiply the same factor which you have multiplied with denominator. That is 20 into 5, here also 15 into 5. Again 25 into 4, so here also 20 into 4. Ultimately you are getting 75, 15 5s are 75 by 100 and 20 into 4 is 80. 80 by 100. So now you can compare. First, your score in mathematics is 75 out of 100, whereas the score of your brother is 80 out of 100. So from these two comparison, from these two marks in mathematics, two scores in mathematics, you can easily obtain a result that your brother's performance is better than your performance. So answer you will write down. Since brother has scored 80 out of 100, brother's performance is better. Brother's performance is better. In this way you will solve the problem sums given to you. Very quickly we move on to the next sum. In sum number 12 it is given that, I am rubbing the board and solving sum number 12 for you. From this same exercise, exercise 23, sum number 12. Sum number 12 also, please follow these sums because these sums are very important. In the online class also we will solve some of the sums to explain the chapter well. In a particular day, it is given in sum number 12 that in a particular day, class 5 of your school has 45 students out of 60 students, and in another school 35 students is present out of 50 students. So in our school there are two comparisons. One is in our school the attendance, and in other school, the attendance of the comparison of the attendance of two school in a particular day. So in the first school, in our school, the attendance in a particular day is 45 out of 60 student. So 45 by 60 is the attendance. And in case of other school, the attendance is 35 out of 50. 35 out of 50. Now we have to do the comparison whose attendance is better for that day. How will we compare this? We will try to equalize the denominator. We will do the LCM of 50 and 60. So we are getting 6 into 5, 30, 30 into 10, 300. 300 is the LCM that we are getting. Now how will we do the comparison? This we will try to make 300. So 60 into 5 is 300. So 45 also we will multiply with 5. Multiply by 5. Here also, in case of the other school, 50 into 6 is what we have to multiply in order to get 300. So 35 also we have to multiply with 6. So ultimately we are getting 300 as the denominator in both the case, so that we can compare the attendance of the two schools. So 5 5s are 25, carry 2, 5 4s are 20, plus 2 25, and here 6 5s are 30, carry 3, 18, 19, 20, 21. So these are the two comparisons. In our school, the attendance of that day is 225 by 300, and in case of the other school, the attendance is 210 by 300. Now we can make a comparison and can judge whose attendance is better for the day. We can easily obtain the answer. We can easily get the answer that the performance of our school, the attendance of our school is better on that particular day. So answer we will write, the attendance of our school is better on that particular day. Why? Because by doing the LCM and by equalizing the denominator, we can understand that 225 by 300 is better than 210 by 300. So the attendance of our school is much better on that particular day. In this way, you are going to solve the problem sums given to you from the chapter to express as a part. I hope you have taken the snapshot. More I am going to explain in the online classes. In my next class, I am going to come up with 2 more important sums. Wait till the next class. Thank you.